What's going on? Juggling a soccer ball is a great way to improve your touch, control, and overall ball handling. To start, position the ball on your dominant foot and gently lift it into the air using your laces. Keep the ball close to your body. The key is to use soft touches with the top of your foot to keep the ball under control. Now, as the ball rises, you're going to tap it lightly with your other foot to maintain the rhythm. Focus on small controlled touches rather than trying to kick the ball too hard. It's essential to keep the ball close enough so that you can adjust quickly if it starts to drift too far off. Keep your body relaxed and your knees slightly bent to allow for better balance and movement. And as you get more comfortable, you're going to try altering your feet, ensuring that you maintain the same gentle touch on each side. All right? Now, listen. This helps improve coordination and muscle memory. If the ball falls, simply start again. And remember that consistency is key. Practice regularly, gradually increasing the number of juggles that you gain as you gain confidence. All right? So once you master the basic juggling, you can add challenges like using your thighs and your head.